Let's take a look at your LT5 assignment from MT9. Don't forget to put your name on your assignment. Questions 1 through 6. Make sure you complete those in ALEKS either before or after you do the paper assignment. On question number 7, we know two tangents have to be equal when they're drawn from a point outside. So in other words, MN and MP are the same. Or I'd say 2y minus 2 equals 4y minus 32. This will help us solve for y. So we'll minus 2y from both sides, and we get 2y. Might as well add 32 to both sides at the same time, and we get 30 equals 2y divided by 2. Y is 15. So m to n is going to be 2 times 15 minus 2, or 30 minus 2, which is 28. So I know m to n is 28, and I know m to p is 28. And then since y is 15, 15 plus 8 is 23. So the perimeter of my triangle is going to be 28 plus 28 plus 23. Well, I know 28 plus 28 is 56. 56 plus 23 gives me 79. Notice that is one of our choices. Let's take a look at number 8. I didn't draw a picture here, so that's probably the key on this one. Is PQ is tangent to circle S at Q. So here's Q. I'm going to draw my tangent in. Whoops, labeled that incorrectly. It says at Q. S is the center of my circle. And I'll put P over here someplace. Maybe I'll extend this off just a little bit. So PQS is 4y plus 30. But PQS is 90, isn't it? And so, and then we want to find S. We're also told S to P to Q. We want to find, SPQ. Okay, so let's do this. Let's use for the fact that PQS is my tangent and my radius. So I know 4y plus 30 equals 90. Or 4y equals 60. Y would be 15. Now we're told S to P to Q is y plus 51. So the measure of angle SPQ then is going to be 15 plus 51, which is going to be 66 degrees, isn't it? So that it would be choice H. Now, taking a look at 9 through 11, we're going to use this diagram. We want to know which of the following are true. Does QR, is that the same as QT? Yes, it is, because they're both radii. Does QR have to be congruent to QS? No, it doesn't. Does QT have to be the same as RS? No, it doesn't. Is QR squared plus RS squared, is that QS squared? Yes, it is. That's your Pythagorean theorem. Is QS squared? That's a hypotenuse, so no. And that doesn't work for letter S either. So what are the lengths of QT and QS? Well, let's back it up here. QT, I don't know. How about QS? Do I know? Did I miss something here? I know R to S is 8. Okay, let's back it up here then. I don't know Q to T. We'll call that X. I don't know Q to R. I'll call that X. Probably should be R. Let's change it to R's because R for radius. That makes more sense. So now my hypotenuse is R plus 4. And equals R squared plus 8 squared. R plus 4 squared is not R squared plus 16. Remember that? You got to multiply R plus 4 plus R plus 4, so we get R squared plus 8R plus 16 equals R squared plus 64. Okay, I can subtract R squared from both sides, and look at that. Everything reduces out. So I've got the equation 8R plus 16 equals 64. Well, let's subtract 16 from both sides. 8R equals, let me see, 14 minus 6 is 8. 48. Divide by 8. R is 6. So QT is 6. QS is 10. Oh, so its choice is Z. I do believe that's it for all the problems on this page, but yep, that's it.